Hello, friends. If you can recall, my last video was on conjunction, and we are still on conjunction. In the last video, I spoke about the four stages of a planet: the infant, young, adult, and old. These are the four stages. I explained to you that a planet which is less than 1 degree shall be termed or considered as a infant planet which sleeps all day and actually don't have any direction. Now today I'll be talking about the second stage of a planet being young or a teenager. The degree is from 1 degree to 5 degrees. We will consider this as a stage where a planet would be considered as young. Now, when I talk about a planet being a teenager, what do you think? Don't you think a teenager always needs some guidance? It needs someone to back up or show a path. The positive side of that planet is because it is young, it has got a lot of energy, eagerness to learn. It's open for and it has it's very versatile. It can pick up the skills very well. It has the grasping power. So, but what happens at this stage between 1 and 5, because the planet is teenager, has not attained the maturity that is needed. The two planets at this point of time may be a little difficult in your chart. Which are these two planets? The two planets I'm talking about is Moon and Mercury. Moon is your mind. If your mind acts very immature or like a teenager, it becomes very wavery. You will not be able to take decisions. Mercury on the other side, as it is by nature, it is supposed to be a prince, supposed to be very childish, and more so over if it is at this 1 to 5 degrees, being a teenager, it could be a little difficult. Mind is, the thought process, your emotions, whereas Mercury is your intelligence. Similarly, when two planets in a conjunction at this stage will go very ignorant, because at this age we are very ignorant and they will need some guidance. So if they are with another planet which has attained maturity, or a planet from some other house is aspecting that planet, the guidance will definitely come. Now remember that the planet will act very positive if they are at young age, adult age, or even old age. Especially two planets, Jupiter and Saturn, because these are the two planets I have always been talking about. These are the major two planets that plays pivotal role in your life. The only drawback is if planet is more than 27 degrees, which will be considered as old, they tend to be, a little lazy, and they are very slow. So whatever positive was supposed to be given to you, maybe it is delayed, maybe because the planet is very lazy. Anyway, I'll be talking about the planets at the old age as well. So friend, this was all about a planet being young. I repeat, it is between 1 degree to 5 degree. The planet is very energetic. The only concern over here is Moon and Mercury at this stage. Thank you for watching this video. Like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell icon as I have always been soliciting for. Thank you so much.